My TikTok agency does millions in GMV for our clients by building out creator teams. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this, how we can build out a creator team by using AI agents. And so for this, I'm going to be using our platform as well as ChatGPT's operator. So our platform will allow any brand or any agency to go in, see all of our creators, see their real stats that are coming directly from TikTok, their GMV per video. But what's really most important here is it will allow you to see their rates. You won't really find this anywhere else because these creators, they come in here, they create their own profile, and they can set their own rates. And then in here, we're also measuring estimated ROI, which is basically just a comparison between how much do they earn per video, their GMV per video, and their cost per video. And so what we're going to be doing today is leaning into ChatGPT's operator to go through the entire Brands Meet Creators network, find us the top performing creators, and we're going to see what it can do if we give it a budget of $10,000. So I haven't done this before. We're going to be doing this live right now. So here's the prompt that we're going to send to operator. Objective: utilize the platform at shop.brandsmeetcreators.com to engage the highest estimated ROI TikTok shop talent for a magnesium spray brand with a monthly budget of $10,000. Task: first, sort the creators. Please begin by sorting creators based on their highest expected ROI. Number two, review their pricing and output. Examine the listed bundle prices on each of the creators' accounts. Three, minimum requirements. Only consider creators who have GMV 10,000 or more in the last 28 days. Budget allocation. Propose a budget allocation plan detailing which creators and packages we should invest in to fully utilize the 10K budget while maximizing our marketing objectives. Deliverables. Detailed list of recommended creators. So what I want it to do is I want it to go through our platform and basically make us a roster, right? Hey, we have $10,000. I want you to allocate this. So I want you to go hire Hannah for, $180 for 30 videos. Then you're going to go hire Alyssa for 20 videos for 4,000. Basically take that 10,000 budget and figure out like what's the best team. And then once we get that, maybe we can actually ask it to go in and send these invites and actually do the hires. So let's see what happens. Let's send this off to operator. All right, so it's going to fire this up. And I know the first thing that I'm going to have to do is actually give it access. So it's going to get stuck. I'm just going to pause. I'm going to take control, pause it here, and just give it access right away. All right, so I just logged in for operator. Now you can see operators in there. And let's see what it's going to do now. It says sorting creators by highest ROI. So we can see it's going in there. It's actually doing the sort. That's awesome. Reviewing creators, checking bundle prices, searching for creators, meeting requirements. So it looks like it's just browsing everything. Okay, so it looks like it's clicking into their profile and their rates. I'm just going to tell it, no need to click into profiles. Just use the information on the Find Creators tab. I have a feeling that if it just opens every single creator's profile, it's going to take a while. That is one of the downsides with Operator is it's quite slow. It's probably better for something that you want to just run in the background. Like I might not sit here and just let it do this thing because it's going to have to run through hundreds of creators and kind of analyze each one. But really what I want it to do is just make me a roster of creators just from using this information that's visibly available. While it's doing this, I want to talk you guys through kind of my longer term vision for this platform. So right now it is, I'm going to switch over to the platform too. We'll let operator do some of that stuff in the background. But right now brands can come in here. We have a lot of agencies on here too. You can essentially see, a bunch of different creators. We're slowly onboarding our whole network. We only have like a couple hundred on the platform right now. So it's still kind of in beta, but should be several thousand on here by the end of the month. You can go through, check out all the creators, all their pricing, and then you can pay them and hire them through the platform. So you'll see your entire roster of creators. Ignore the specific data. A lot of it's just dummy data, but exactly how much you've hired them for, how many videos. So like these creators are all, set to make 30 videos. So this looks like this one just started. She just made her first video. And then you'll get to see basically the creator level ROI as well. So like here's Carly, she made 5 videos and she made $17. And so what this allows brands or agencies to do is basically get a high level overview of all of their creators that they're paying on a retainer, exactly what the ROI is on those creators, and then you to hire and work with the creators that are actually performing. So one thing that you can do when you invite a creator, you can actually set, let's say, I don't know, I want 20 videos for $350. You can set these auto renews where, okay, if I'm going to pay $350 a month, I need actually like 1,000 in GMV minimum in order for this to be profitable, right? Or I don't know, maybe it's 1,200, whatever it is. And then you can set an auto renew. So this creator, they'll know, okay, my contract is only going to, keep going if I hit this 1,200. Now let's check back on in with ChatGPT. Okay, cool. It looks like it's done. So let's see what it said. Based on the available data, here are the recommended creators for the magnesium spray. We have Jennifer S. Here's her GMV. There's the package. Okay, here's Hannah. Cool. And here's the allocation. Okay, so it looks like it only allocated a little bit less than $1,000. So let me just see who it picked in here. Jennifer S. I'm going to ask, can you also include their TikTok handle in this breakdown? The handle, or let's call it a username, TikTok username. The username starts with at and is right below their name. Cool. I want to actually go in and see these accounts, see how well they did. So they basically allocated 1/10 of the budget, a little bit less than 1/10. All right, cool. So they added in. Now let's just check out. Let's check out these creators. So let's see how they did. So we're going to check out this right here. All right. So Operator is recommending that we hire Jennifer for 30 videos for $300. So let me check out Jen. Cool. Looks like she gets decent engagement. Nothing crazy here, but I think this is more like an efficiency play. $10 videos. That's awesome. Looks like she's promoting Goalie right now. Okay, cool. So I'm on board with that. They're recommending Hannah 30 videos for $180. So it looks like Operator is going with more of like a volume play, not going for like the top creators. Okay, so it looks like Operator had a little bit of a hallucination here because this is not Hannah's actual TikTok account. So I'm just going to go in here and take a peek at it. Okay, cool. Good lighting, solid quality. Let's see what the recommendation was. So Hannah's done 10,000 GMV the last 28 days, and we can get her for 30 videos for $180. That's awesome. Final one is Jewel. Let's see if this was another hallucination or if this is actually the TikTok account. Okay, so looks like Operator's hallucinating a little bit. We're just going to go into the platform. We're going to search up Jewel. All right, here we go. Okay, so close. Peachy Grower 7 is the actual name. And what did Operator want here? They wanted us to do 10 videos for $290. Okay, cool. Cool, that's exactly what her rates are. So that's right. Okay. Okay, looks like she got some videos that did pretty well. Cool. So it seems like ChatGPT Operator is going for more of like a volume play. Let's do this. I want to see, can you invite Jennifer to a job? Let's invite her for 30 videos for $300. I want to see if it can actually go into the platform and do the hiring for us. Getting back to what I was talking about with the long term, what I want to do is kind of build our own agent on top of this, right? And we can start to train it on all of the different campaign data across all different clients and figure out what type of videos are working better, the specific creators that are working really well for us. Right now, we can use something like Operator, but that's the vision here, is to take this platform and ultimately have it more of like an AI interface where you can go in and say, hey, my budget is, $15,000 a month. here's my product, and just do everything, right? Make the brief, go hire the creators, manage them, communicate with them. That's the route that I want to go. Okay, this is really cool. Like it's going through, it's actually making the hire right now. So we have, 30 videos, 300. I have prepared and set the total price. Would you like me to send the invitation? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see what it does. All right. So before I formally invite, confirmation dialog indicates that inviting Jennifer will deduct 300 from the account if the invite is accepted. Should I proceed with sending the invite? Confirm. Okay. So it's just like double, triple checking before it actually goes and, spends any money that you really, really want to do it. So I have to confirm again. Let's see. Yes, please proceed. All right. So as it's finishing up, just some final thoughts. So operator, it seems pretty slow to me. It's probably not something we would use in practice on a day to day. But once this is a bit quicker, I think this is going to be massive. And like I mentioned, it's just kind of the vision for where we want to go with the platform. If you are checking this out and you are a brand or an agency and you want to get access to a network of TikTok shop creators, you want to be able to hire creators on monthly retainers, see all of their pricing, manage all of the creators, all of the samples. Creators don't get paid unless they actually do the posting, set auto optimized jobs, everything. Give you the demo. And if you're a creator and you want to get on this platform, it's completely free. Check it out, brandsmeetcreators.com. Hope you guys got a ton of value out of this one, and I'll see you in the next one.